Talk to the camera this time on this trip. I normally don't because I'm just not very good at it, but you know, I'm gonna try. Gonna maybe practice a little bit. May cut it all out, I don't know. I'm going to Hawaii with some friends, my sister and her boyfriend, and flights out of Minneapolis were, you know, kind of expensive, and so my sister found flights out of Winnipeg, which we've flown out of before, and they were like significantly cheaper. So I am driving North Dakota to spend the night, and then we're gonna drive the rest of the way to Winnipeg tomorrow morning because our flight's at noon, I think. So we got plenty of time, and it's Friday right now, and Friday evening, dinner time. So yeah, driving up, first little leg of the trip. It's gonna be a good time though. I'm really excited. We're gonna spend, gosh, I haven't really counted, but about a week. We're flying back next Friday. Was originally, or no, we're flying back Saturday? Oh my God, I have it all written down, trust me. I just didn't quite memorize the end of the trip as well as the first part. But yeah, we were supposed to fly out Sunday. So yeah, and then in our flight got screwed up with Orbit's, well, it's not Orbit's fault. The airline decided, oh, we're not gonna fly Sunday. So then it kicked us back to Saturday. So we got to fly out Saturday and we lost today, which I'm still kind of bitter because you know, you pay the same price and yet you get shafted a day. So anyway, I've got to get over that. There's nothing I can do anymore about that. But yeah, about what, 9 days I guess, and I'm really excited. I got lots of hikes planned, so many food places. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for Polynesian food, Japanese food. Oh, it's just gonna be, I'm so excited. Hikes, scenery, ocean. Oh, it's gonna be a good time, guys. It's gonna be a good time. So yeah, I may hop on again when on our way to Winnipeg. We'll see. Like I said, I'm gonna try do a better job this trip of kind of talking about what I'm doing, what we're doing. So yeah, see you in a little bit. So, bit of bad luck, guys. We're still in Calgary. This is not Hawaii. We even got a fire, because who has a fire anyway? Our plane had some technical issues, and by the time they figured out we need a new plane, we were in a blizzard in Calgary. So we had to stay the night, and we're now, what is it? It's 3 a.m.? It's almost 4, but we got up at 3 to catch the shuttle back to the airport and catch our 7 a.m. flight now to Hawaii, Honolulu. So yeah, wish us luck we get on this time. But we spent 17 hours in the Calgary area. I mean, it wasn't all in the airport, but most of it was. Had to wake up at 3 a.m. to try to make sure we got on our flight, and then it delayed till right around 11. So we got in, I don't know, it's maybe almost 24 hours later than we were supposed to, but we're here. Hiking Diamond Head.